Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your domain name in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to change the domain name for, click on these three dots. Select change domain. Here, check this box next to I understand that email, subdomains, and backups linked to the current domain will be lost, and then hit change. Now fill in your domain name here. This is my domain name. Do you own this domain? Yes, click on it. Now click on next. And just like that, your domain is added to your website. Here, since this domain name is already using Hostinger name servers, Hostinger didn't ask me to do this step. So in your case, if your domain name is not pointing to those or not using those Hostinger name servers, which are ns1.dns-parking.com and then ns2, this second name server, Hostinger will ask you to use those two name servers. If you don't know how to set up name servers on your domain, it's pretty much simple. Let me give you an example of how to set up the name servers for this domain name. This domain name was registered on Porkban, so just log into your Porkban account. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This domain name was registered on Porkban, so just log into your Porkban account and here look for NS, which stands for name servers, or DNS. It's pretty much the same thing. Click on NS and here delete those existing one and add to these two name servers and hit submit and wait a little bit around a minute, an hour, and your domain name will be connected to your Hostinger website. For domains registered on Hostinger, it's pretty much the same thing. This is a domain that is registered on Hostinger. Just to go to domains, and next to your domain name, click on this manage button. Now go to name servers, click on change name servers, select change, and here fill in the first name servers and the second one like that and hit save. And this is how to change the name servers to point to Hostinger. And after that, click on continue. And this is how to change your domain name in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.